Hi kids, my name is Carla. I live on a farm. Have you ever been on a farm? Farms have a lot of different animals. Should we talk about some of them? This is a dog. D-O-G, dog. A cat. A cat lives on a farm. C-A-T, cat. A cow can also live on a farm. C-O-W, cow. Chickens are farm animals too. This is a chicken. C-H-I-C-K-E-N, chicken. Goat. A goat can live on a farm. G-O-A-T, goat. How about a horse? Horses live on farms of all different kinds. This is a horse. H-O-R-S-E. Look at him run. Pigs are on farms too. P-I-G, pig. Turkey. A turkey is not just for Thanksgiving. He lives on a farm most of the time. This is a turkey. T-U-R-K-E-Y, turkey. A duck. A duck can live on a farm, right? This is a duck. D-U-C-K, duck. Sheep. Sheep are farm animals too. S-H-E-E-P, sheep. This one you might not have seen before. This is a llama. L-L-A-M-A, llama. This one I bet you've seen. This is a donkey. D-O-N-K-E-Y, donkey. Those are just a few of the different kinds of animals you can find on a farm. Did you like talking about animals? How about next time we talk about some animals that you can find in a zoo?